You know what it is. Falling on a budget production.
It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on the concrete. It's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James. Modern day outlaw game. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition. Diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the roads. We were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling. We're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on.
Yeah, we're good. Not a problem. Check it out, guys. George got a stereo. This is this one. George, come poke at it, because I got stuff in my hand. Poke. I got stuff in my hand. Poke at it? Yeah. No, bitch. For real. Show what's up.
I don't know how much.
That.
I don't know how that works. Bluetooth cords.
Well, either way, we'll show you when it's installed. Let's get it. Bought some stuff. And a selfie stick. YouTube.
What's going on, guys? Again, another day, week, whatever you want to put it as. Today we're gonna be putting in my truck, the W9, brand new radio. It's a Sony. Yeah, I just got it just because it looked cool. And this is the current radio it has right now, as just basic Pioneer. I really like it a lot. It looks good. Really love it. But I'm gonna put this one instead. So let's go for it. Alright, guys, I'm not done yet. I have the wire still around. I thought it'd be easier. I'm halfway done connecting it. So I'm doing the one by one, switching it over from this harness, or not this harness connector, to this connector, and then should be good. Alright, guys. I have everything connected. This is gonna be the first startup. So like I said, I'm not in, of course, everything, but I have it connected, and I see how this goes. Alright, guys, I got the radio in. Took a little bit longer than expected. I had to do a couple things, but either way, the radio's in, it works. Pretty cool. I like it, I guess. So yeah, I had to take apart a couple things, but there you go. It works, so everything's awesome. Fitment, it's okay because it indents right here, but it's fine. Radio looks good, and yeah, there you go, guys. I just got to equalize it, and then it'll be ready to go. All right, guys, there it is. It's on, functional, working. Or tuner. Whoa, not that. Let's not do that. Yeah, so works. Rear camera, don't have it. Phone connected, whatever is connected to Bluetooth. And oh shit, well, I don't have no camera. And the settings, and do whatever you want from here. Yeah, so there you go, guys. It's installed. Sounds good and looks good. All right, what's going on, guys? Me again, George. Yeah, I'm at the yard, as you can see. Oh, I don't know how to really focus it, but yeah. Excuse me. I'm not gonna really do much here. Well, this past week from the 75 Chrome shop, I bought some lights. They didn't have the ones I wanted, so I got some different ones for now. So I just bought these because I was gonna do these anyways. They were the Dual Revolutions again, as always, red and green. And I bought 4 of them, and I'm gonna be replacing them, the ones on my sleeper. So it should be really quick. I think those are already the quick connectors. These unplug it, plug this one in, and the only hard thing I guess it would be to run the green. But that's already pretty much pre-ran, so this should be, I guess, quick. So let's get this started. All right, guys,
hot as shit today. You can see my brother right there sweating our asses off. We're putting the sleeper lights on, the Do Revolution ones on. But to run the wire from the top to the bottom, that way we can run it to the green switch. That way they can flip green with all the other ones. Sorry, it's kind of close. We got to run the wire down, which is pretty simple. Run the wire down, right? But we ran into
5 brackets in the way.
This bracket that's in the way, and there's no way to go through unless you, which we thought we could, but we can't. And so now on the inside, you have to take off that bracket, which is right here, which is
This shit that lays across right here.
yeah. So you have to take that off, and that way you can bypass this right here. Otherwise, you're never gonna get the wire through. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
You gotta bypass that.
And
Otherwise,
then down here, there's another bracket you have to get through. So
yeah. So it turned out being more pain in the ass than we thought. And yeah, but we already ran the other side, the driver's side. So now that we know what the hell we're doing, the passenger side should be a little bit easier. And that's honestly the hardest part, running the wire through there because of that bracket. After that, everything should be pretty simple. So yeah, we'll get back to you guys. All right, guys. So I got the little coat hanger here, running through the inside. My brother George is inside, pulling the hanger down to bypass the bracket to get to the bottom one. You can do it by yourself. It's just, you know, you gotta do more work, but this way makes it easier. So just thought I'd let you guys know. And we gotta take all this shit off too, because it makes it look ugly, but we'll get there. All right, guys, got the hanger through, tape the wire to it. That way we pull it back, it runs it up, and we're done. We can put the inside back together, and everything else is on the outside. Bam, just like that, guys. Here's the wire.
you guys didn't know what we're talking about.
And there's the end. Yeah, that's the panel you gotta take off. That little pocket shit that goes there. Yeah, take that off.
It's just what?
Screws.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 screws, and
Just on top, that's it, nothing else. And then it just
pops off. So yeah, just so you guys know, if you guys done it already, cool. And if you guys didn't know or think about doing it, that way hopefully that helps. So yeah, now that the wires are ran, yeah, go ahead and get them plugged in, and that should be easier. So yeah.
Alright, guys, and just like that, like I said, just the 5 bolts, and goes back, and that's it. So the inside's completely done with. Like I said, just take out those 5 bolts. The 3rd or 4th one, this side, and this side should be a bolt. Yeah, this one should be this one. Yeah, pops off. There's a bolt. It's like that on each side, so that way you can, if you're running from the top, you can just run the hanger down. That's where we use the hanger. There's a bracket right there, and another bracket right here. You gotta squeeze it through, and then it finally goes down. And there you go, guys. All right, guys, we just ran the wire. Like I said, what Johnny said, we already ran that side, and pretty sure he said that we ran this side already, but I just haven't ran this one to the green. That runs into a toolbox, and it goes down, and there's like a little hole inside the toolbox, and it runs out, and I connect to that green wire, or that black wire right there, you guys have to worry about. It still is for something else, but that's what I used it for right now still. So there you go, guys. Now it's just pretty much plug and play, and we can get this thing going. Plug and play.
All right, guys, shout out to my cousin. He washed my truck. It was hot as hell. While he was doing that, we were trying to knock these lights out. My brother George finished, as you can tell, and now he's gonna try them on and see if they work. So yeah. All right, guys, check it out. Turn them on, George. All right, hold up. It's during the day and it's bright as shit, but there you go. They're on. I don't know if you can tell, but they're on. All right, now flip the switch. Green. Flip it. Flip it. All right, leave it. As like I said, you can't see it during the day. Well, you can, but not that much. But at night, it should light up. So, bitchin'. Now I just have to put the chrome caps on, and the project is complete.
We got them.
So yeah, see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, he got the chrome cap on, looks 100 times better. And now he's putting the top one on. So, yeah. You get it? Yeah. Bam, here. Go up close.
Wait,
That's close. No mames.
Alright,
You suck.
the other twist-on ones, there's literally 4 clips. Or little...
Pop one in and twist it.
Yeah, and just one slides into the hule, rubber piece, grommet, whatever you want to call it. It twists, and then all 3 should pop on, and that should be in. It's not gonna go anywhere because you can see where I'm putting force. Cool. So you're good. I need to do these 2 sides.
Yay. Say what's up to YouTube. Aiden, Adan, what do they call you? Adan, cool. It's all good, man. Your truck's dirty as fuck anyways.
It's clean.
Check it out. Bam. Bitchin'. Check that out, guys. Let us know what y'all think. Turn them on now. Now you get the full effect. Don't mind this ugly clutterness right there. Looks good. Flip the switch. Hell yeah, dude. That looks awesome. Try not to cuss that much. Trying. Failing. Miserably. Cool.
Damn. That shit looks crazy, bro.
Hell yeah. Looks good.
Yeah, I never thought that would happen.
Alright, guys. Here at the yard. It's a little darker, so we're gonna be able to see what the lights look like. We're gonna be able to see what the lights look like. So yeah, let's check this out. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and see what they look like. Turn on your lights, just your lights first. Now you guys can see this with the lights on. Bam, lit. Just so you guys can see what the truck looks like at night with all the lights. Now let's go to the main part that we came to see. The sleeper lights. Bam. Alright, go ahead and flip the switch. What? Flip it. Flip it. Savage. Alright, now shut all your other lights off. Bam, green. Bitchin'. That looks good. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let us know if you guys like it. Cool, guys. That's that. Just wanted to show you guys what it looked like at night. So yeah, there it is. That's the final product. Cool. Bam. Alright, guys, we finished up this project. We're done here. Sorry, it was hot as hell. But finished up with the lights. Let us know what you guys think. Let us know if y'all like them. Yeah, we're just cleaning up, about to head out, and we'll get some beers because we're thirsty. And yeah, we see you guys. Oh, before we leave. No, yep, that's it. Yeah, what? I don't know. All right, guys, and see you guys on the next video. And yeah, but before anything, my cousin has to say something.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, now we see you guys on the next video.